Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the how to schedule the power on and off mode in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and in this video there is an option of enabling the power on and power off automatically. You can schedule, so which is present in the settings option. So if you go to the settings and go to the battery and performance, so when you scroll down to the bottom, as you can see here friends, so where the option is about a schedule power on and off, as you can see, so which is very quite interesting feature. So most of the users, they don't test this option, but this is very good feature in terms of saving the battery for long time to in the standby mode, so which is another good advantage in the emergency situations. So for example, during night time, so when if you know that you won't get any urgent calls or anything like that, if you don't require to use the mobile data connection or mobile internet connection at the night time, then definitely you can use this kind of mode, power on and power off mode time as well. So I know you might be thinking, just by putting in the airplane mode, so battery could be saved. Is you can actually save the battery just by putting in the airplane mode, but if you use the schedule power on and off feature, sometimes it will save little bit of battery but not a lot. So definitely friends, because the phone to get power on, it will consume little bit extra battery rather than in the standby mode. So that's why mostly I'll prefer to use the airplane mode option, so which will be disabling the Wi-Fi, mobile data, all the connections. So that is another good advantage using this airplane mode, so instead of power on and off mode. But in case if you want to save little bit of battery use, then definitely you can enable this option. It's there in the settings, so power off and power on timings as well, so which is very good, interesting. But there is another feature is missing here, which is called automated tasks. The automated task feature, which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro device, so which is very good. So I can set the timings as well where this kind of activities should be done, so which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro phone, so not in the Poco X3 device. So maybe in the future update we might be able to get here. So that's it friends, this is a quick review on the power on and off mode settings in the Poco X3 device, and for more videos make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye. And finally, I forgot to say you that if you enable this option, there will be a option called repeat as well, so where you can select the days when you want to repeat this kind of functionality, which is another good advantage if you want to save the more battery every day as well. So that's it friends, I did cover everything about this scheduling power on and off mode as well. And in case if you are missing any other features and in-depth tips and tricks, try to watch the playlist of the Poco X3, so you'll get all the doubts clarified after you watching the Poco X3's playlist. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.